In this video, I will show you how to create Cloudways account. So this one is actually really easy. What you can do is you can just head over to cloudways.com, which is your website, and then click on this start free option right there. Now from in here, this will actually redirect you to the sign up page of Cloudways. So just wait for this to be loaded in order to see the actual requirements. So as you can see, you can fill up your first name, your email, your password, and you just need to describe yourself as one of this, as well as your monthly hosting budget. Now from in there, just agree to the terms and condition and then click on to this sign up. Alternatively, you can also head over and then sign up using DigitalOcean, LinkedIn, GitHub, as well as Google. However, even if you did that, you need to input right here the details as well. And once you have inputted it, you will be asked or you will be tasked as well to input your social profile link in order to verify that this is you, and then they will get back to you 1 to 2 days later on.